Let's learn how to download and configure DataLink. I have a spreadsheet with new equipment as well as some updates to existing equipment like serial and model numbers. I need to import this data into my database. Before I can do that, I need to install the DataLink Import-Export tool that's included in every edition of MPulse. As long as I have access to management tools, DataLink, I can download and use this program. It's important to note that I also need to have administrative rights to the computer where DataLink is being installed. Here, I just click on Download DataLink. Now, in my Downloads file folder on my computer, I need to right-click and select Extract All. Once DataLink has been extracted, I should get an MPulse DataLink folder. For me, this opens automatically. From here, I want to double-click the application file. I may get a pop-up that asks if I want to allow the app to make changes to my device. Here I can select Yes. In the DataLink Setup pop-up, I click Next. Then I need to check this box to accept the terms and conditions and click Next. After DataLink is done checking prerequisites, you guessed it, click Next again. Here, I'll use the default installation location and click Next, and then Next one last time to install. Once DataLink is installed, I click Close. Now I can see the DataLink icon on my desktop. I double-click to open. Again, I will get the pop-up asking if I want to allow the app to make changes to my device. I click Next, and now I can configure. In the web service URL, I enter my MPulse web address. For hosted customers, input https://www.mpulse9.com. Locally installed customers should ask their IT department for the appropriate URL to access MPulse. Next, I can enter my username and password, just like I do when logging into my database. Then click Continue. DataLink is now successfully configured. We'll log in and use the program in another Let's Learn video. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@mpulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.